Welcome back to our 41st web programming tutorial. And in this video, as promised, I'm going to get rid of most of this stuff. Again, I'm going to keep our single line, multi-line comments along with our tags to make sure that older browsers can skip over the JavaScript text if they can't read it. So firstly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to build three variables. We're going to talk about combining variables and how we can actually do this. Now, there's a few ways that we can do it. So firstly, I'm going to create three different variables. Now, the way that I'm doing this is a valid way to create them. And now that I've actually got the variables set up, I now have to actually add values into them. So today I'm going to say today is a Monday. It's actually Wednesday, I think. No, Thursday. Month is equal to June. Again, that's wrong. I think it's July. And year is equal to 1964. And just in case you didn't know, I don't think YouTube was around at that time. I don't actually know when YouTube became a thing, but I think I just picked a random day, month, and year. So we need document write and now in here we've actually done this a little bit before, but we can put in day, we can also put in month, and we can put in year. But we can't put it in this way, because if we run this, it just won't pick up anything at all. Now, so usually with many programming languages, it'll come up with just an error saying that it's basically physically impossible for you to do this. It's a bit disappointing that it doesn't do that. So, and now what I've added in is I've added in two little plus signs, basically saying that we're combining. It's concatenation. We're putting them together. Now today is a Monday, June 1964. So this is the first string. Most of it seems fine until we get to the Y and J. It sort of joins up with June, and June's all jumbled in between, a bit of a mess. So the way that we solve this issue, and it's not all that easy, is that we either need to add in an extra thing and put just a space here, but that's going to be a bit complicated. What we can remember to do is we can remember to put a space at the end of the strings, or again, it depends on when you're getting user input. It's better to have a little space in the actual writing part of the document rather than our string that we created, because we can't really say automatically that there's going to be an extra space on this string. Well, we can actually do a bit of coding to do that. So here what we'll do is we'll do that now. Okay, because, wow, I'm really draining these ones out. Day Z, I guess. And we'll call it day plus. Now if we look at this, we need to change this one to day Z. And you'll see that it does actually pick up the space. So what we've done is we've done a little bit with concatenation in this video. Concatenation is where you join one thing to another, and in this case to another. And we've also done it up here with the variable. We've done quite a lot of stuff in this video. We've taken a look at, we've created a variable. We've created a second variable, which is basically the same thing, but we wanted to add a space on it. So I've used concatenation in here, and I've said that one variable is basically equal to another, and then we just add a little bit on the end. And you can actually do this, you can do month Z is equal to month, and it does work. It's really, I find it rare when you need to have two variables with the same name, though you might get to a point where you need a default value and you'll assign two different values and then you'll just change one of them. So that's where that will come in handy. Don't know why 1964 jumped into my mind. So anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time for the next web programming video.